How long did it take you to do this 2-hour job? 7 hours. What took you so long? 6 hours of screwing around? Welcome back. So today what we're going to do is we're going to install some, what do you call them?
Ditch lights.
Ditch lights.
Yeah.
So we're going to install some ditch lights on my buddy Jason's Toyota 4Runner. So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. Everything fun is not legal. All right, so today the lights we're going to be installing are from Vivid Lumen. It's the FNG model. They actually look like they're quite well built. The quality is actually pretty nice. Not bad. And the model FNG 3 Intense Pod. So if you want to check them out, I'm sure you could Google it, go to their website and take a peek. Yeah, these are actually pretty nice. Like the first thing I noticed is the build quality is actually quite good.
Build quality comes with the
like all the brackets.
cover.
Oh yeah, okay, look at that. So this must be like a rock guard or something. Oh yeah. Okay, so it comes with the rock guard and then there are the 4, looks like Cree LEDs. Holy shit, these would be bright. Extreme LED series for weatherproof. Great. So you can drive through a puddle or a snowstorm and it won't give you any problem. Vivid optics. Actually, these would be pretty sweet. Kind of looking forward to seeing what these look like. So I think what we're looking at is the light, bracket, and then hardware. It's actually pretty nice. They give you everything. Look at that. They're actually like metric Allen head bolts too. Okay, so the other thing that we didn't end up filming, these brackets, Jason, where are these brackets from?
Same company.
Same thing?
Yeah.
So they're from Vivid Lumen?
Yeah.
So what we're looking at is this bracket here. So what we did off camera, just because it needed the two of us to put our purses down and get things done, is you remove the two 13 mil nuts, or you remove the two 13 mil bolts here, and you put the bracket just in between. So we did it the hard way. We didn't end up taking the struts out. So one of us compressed it as the other one put the bolts in for the brackets here. So when you end up closing the hood, you end up having this little stanchion here for us to actually mount the lights to. Wow, looks good. Oh yeah, look at that.
It is plug and play with the switch, relay, fuse.
Wow, it's literally plug and play. That's good. And the switch, probably just like a little sticky switch. Oh yeah, so basic, just on off. Sweet. All right, let's get it done. First glance, there's a little grommet just right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a good old coat hanger, poke it right through, or we're gonna pick out that grommet so we can run the harness inside the cabin. Go from there. Let's see. Actually, you know what? It looks like it's just a big cavity in there. If you wanna maybe jump inside, what I'll do is I'll feed you the coat hanger.
Nope.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh, I think I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be the grommet right there. So you can see we took the grommet out, put a coat hanger in there. And then, Jason, you see it on your side?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna just get inside here. Damn. Oh, it made it super easy. Okay, so right next to the e-brake, you can see where it kind of sneaks right between. Not sure what that is. Jason's already taped it, so I'm gonna feed it for him. Ready? Oh, it came right off. Yeah, it came right off. Attempt number 2. Okay, let's give it a shot. Well, so far it's going a lot easier. Oh, come on. No, it's right at the end. Oh, look at that. Just had to take the end of the connector off and whatever, it works now. Damn. Okay, so after pushing it through, we put the connector back on. I put a little red dot on the top just to designate when I'm looking at it. Right is the red. White is the center, left is black. It's actually held in there pretty good now. Some of the pins got a little bit misaligned, but I'll just use my good old pick tool. Get them straight, good to go. So if you see right in here, there's 2 little ears on either side. So if you put the bolt in and it's not quite straight, you turn it and it sits right inside the ears. And then everything else goes from underneath to lock it in. Okay, so this goes washer, lock nut, nut. This is a pain in the ass to get at. Oh, let's try.
That's why I was wondering if you should have put that bracket first. Like this bracket, when we did the whole entire bracket.
Nah. It's all about learning the hard way. So it takes you 4 hours to do it the first time, and then 45 minutes the second time. There we go. Yes. Actually, having those like 2 tabs makes it so much easier. So you don't have to wedge like a 12 mil wrench or something in there. You just tighten it. Okay. The quality of this stuff's actually pretty good, and it's like they've obviously thought of this because it, like any which way you turn it, it either clears the hood, clears the fender, or it clears the windshield. So you could probably tighten them tight enough, and then if you need to reposition them, it's easy. The one thing I absolutely hate doing is snaking wires through a firewall. That, I'll do everything else. But that's a pain in the ass. There we go. This one's a piece of cake. Look, I'm done. Come on. Boom! Installed. Okay, here, I'll do it. Oh, look at this mess. You see how I ran that wire there?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice.
Oh, it looks good. So for this, what I did is like this, okay? Put it through. And then, like the wire, you can kind of tuck wherever. Like, let's put it here for now. So what I did is I wedged my pinky underneath so that you can just put each one. So we're starting washer. You know what I should do? I should cheat and I should use my magnet, because you stack it all together and you hold the magnet there, and all you do is you just with a pinky turn it. So you turn into like finger kung fu. You put your finger there and then you got the other one holding it. All right. Okay, number 2. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody was fighting with the bolts. I'm sure they're, oh, I just dropped it. Okay.
1 eternity later.
Did you already get it? Did you get it? I quit. Okay. You can have the channel. I'm done.
There you go, guys. Not easy.
That's how you do. We'll just edit it to make it look like it was easy. Snap of the fingers and it's done. Easy. There you go. That's pretty good. Yeah, I'd leave it now. Yep, and then it's probably just these Allens on the side. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so let's see how this is gonna wire. Look at that precision. Yeah, so it looked like there's a little bit of a cavity right here where it slides right through. I think, like, I don't know about you, but without, like, I wouldn't want to drill into the drip tray. Right? So the wire, it goes over top because there's going to be a vent, like a little gap there. And then if you want to come look at this side, right from here, look, just right in the corner behind there. And then we'll just clip it. We'll run it across.
Zip tie it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to loosely put it in for now. Crunching snow, ASMR. Somebody would be like, ooh, dang. That's some good crunching.
That's pretty good.
Looks good. Yeah, and you can position them after too.
Yeah.
If you do anything with electrical, spark plugs, wiring, and you don't use dielectric grease, they save a cozy spot in hell for you. So this one, because there's no left or right, I don't think it matters. We just need to see if one's maybe longer than the other. So this is here. Okay, this is here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just roll it up. Okay. Yep, so before, here, like we'll connect it. This stuff is like a must. I used to sell HID kits when I was in college. and I would tell them like, you know, 120 bucks for the kit, 50 bucks if I install it, but it comes with lifetime warranty. The amount of times that I would end up getting a return on lifetime warranty, zero, because I use dielectric grease. The amount of time somebody would come in a year later saying, oh, ballast died or something, all the time. The connectors were always corroding. So when you put dielectric grease, it keeps it from doing that. Like these are nice connectors. I'm actually surprised that they're using these connectors because these are really good. I don't know if they're like Deutsch connectors or whatever they want to call them. Like these are weather connectors. Always dielectric grease. Well,
Yeah, right.
one side's working. This side's not working.
Not working?
No,
There's the connector.
connector's connected.
Oh, you know why it's not working? It has a cover.
Is that a joke?
Yeah. Slide it.
Why is it not working? I hope it doesn't work right now, just for the simple fact that, of course it works.
That's right.
Here, you want to hold this down? We're gonna give the viewers a little sneaky peek. Oh,
Oh,
that's fucking sick. Okay, if you want to start zip tying. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect this one really quick, and I'm gonna route it a little bit nicer. I want to find a good place to mount it. You know what? Actually, right in the corner here, there's just like a big void. I think we just bundle it up and just tuck it in there. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the positive terminal to the positive on the battery. Just be sure to always put the negative on second, just so there's no sparks or anything. We're gonna give the loom a bit of a wrap with some electrical tape just to keep it protected from the elements. We're not gonna get crazy with wire management, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna zip tie it together and tuck it away since he's gonna get a distribution block. Okay, so you can see we connected the positive to the terminal here. We have it snaked up and around just so it utilizes the cutout. Negative, we have it all tucked away as neatly as possible for now. Let's get this a little tuck. Okay, all up and through, goes to the other side. This one goes right through here. So you'll actually find a little cavity between where the strut is. So it sneaks up. It's relatively nice. You don't have to cut your rain guard. Works out pretty good. So we'll give it a test and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm mentally preparing myself. I'm not ready. Okay, go. Oh, it looks really cool. So as you can see, the finished product is actually pretty good. These things are bloody bright and they'll work really well to see the ditch. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next one.